What's going on, everybody? It's Novelty back at you again. Today I'm gonna do another vegan chili. It's got different ingredients though. There's so many variations you can do on vegan chili. Obviously, I always keep the essentials. My usual spices I use right here. Cilantro as well here. Got the avocado on the side like I usually do. Make sure you use spring water for the chili. And here it is. We're letting it simmer on medium-low heat. Today I put mushrooms, bell pepper, serrano. I put carrots. I put a lot of garlic. Obviously all the spices I usually use. What else did I put in there? Mushrooms, lima beans, black beans, kidney beans, onion. I think that's it. So it's definitely going to be a hearty chili. Good for the winter time. Good if you're feeling a little sick or stuffy. I love making chili because it's so easy to make, and it's it lasts a while. You don't have to, if you make a bunch of it, you can save it. It'll last you like a couple days. It's really not expensive. Buying produce and just canned beans, it's really not expensive at all. If you're on a budget, it's a really good way to stay healthy and save money. So yeah, you just want to let that simmer on medium-low heat for about, as long as you want. If you like it to be a little bit softer texture, simmer it longer. It's really up to you. I usually go about 20 minutes. Like I've said in past videos, I like a little bit of crunch and a little bit of harder texture to my vegetables. The longer you simmer it, I feel like it kills more of the nutrients. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Because heat kills nutrients, so that's why I always cook it on low and I don't cook it for too long. All right, so let's try the final product here. It's got a good color to it. Smells good. This is going to be really spicy. This might be the spiciest chili I've ever made. Delicious. Simple, delicious. I've been having a little bit of a cold, so I know this is definitely going to clear me out. It's not for those who don't like spice, though. Definitely don't add serrano and don't add any cayenne or smoked ghost chilies. But man, that is definitely good. So thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes. This is Novelty. Like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends. Peace.